2, 1, action!
It's very good to be back. We're only a few weeks in, but it's been amazing.
This year we introduced new design to be worn by the seeker and the goalkeeper, Harry and Ron. The Quidditch is a very dangerous game. We wanted to have something a little bit stronger. This has been introduced because of the age of the players and because of the danger, because they go a lot further when they are 17 or 16 years old. They dare much more, so the game, being more dangerous, needs new protections. He will protect his shoulder and his back. The cape is something that you wear to fly. It has a hood because we are wizards. Protection against the ball. This has an inspiration of American football, but it's not the American football completely, because the shoulder had to be able to move when they were flying. We thought also maybe introducing a helmet. They might not wearing during the match because that might be too much, but when they are training they will wear it. We also have the new Quidditch outfit for the Slytherin. It is in silver, it has some beautiful black and silver emblem. It is a lot more silky. The Slytherin team will look very frightening. This year they look a lot bigger and they look really cool and they feel extremely macho with it, and it looks fantastic. We love it.